Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger in 2025. So if you are using Hostinger and now you want to create a subdomain like blog.yourwebsite.com, this step-by-step guide will show you how to do it exactly in 2025. So first of all, you need to come to the edge panel of your Hostinger account. So you need to come on hostinger.com and then log in into your account. Your Hostinger homepage or dashboard will look something like this. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on websites. Here you will see your domain, and right next to it you will see this dashboard tab. So click on dashboard and it will redirect you on this page. Now in the right hand section you will see this search bar. So here in the search bar you need to search for subdomains, and once you are able to find subdomains, simply click on it and then you will see this type of create a new subdomain option. So over here you need to give your subdomain a name. If you want to create a custom folder for your subdomain, you can also do that as well, but for this video I'm going to keep it unchecked. Once you type your subdomain name, you need to click on the create button and then you need to click on the continue button. So this way you will be able to easily create your subdomain in your Hostinger account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy web hosting tips. Thanks for watching.